G'day, welcome back to CROC. A buddy of mine gave me this box. Let's see what's inside. It is a electric filtered mask for spray painting. He said he couldn't use it or he didn't like it, so it's just been sitting under his pool table for the last a couple of years, he said. So I'm guessing these batteries are going to be cooked. Here's the hood. And the hose. And a spare doodad. That's it. Now I've got a welding mask that's got this setup on it. I used it once, let it sit for a year, and the battery died. And I can't charge it. So I'm tipping this is going to be the same. So if I can't get this battery working, I'm going to adapt it to have one of these guys in it. Drill battery. So it'll just stuff everywhere. It'll just clip on there somewhere, and fingers crossed it'll work. So I'm going to bring you along for the ride, see if I can't get it working, and hope you enjoy. Alright, I found some issues already. I just cleaned it, sort of dusted it off a bit. This thing can't be seen through, so I'm going to have to try and fix that. I got some ideas for that. And this pipe's got some holes in it, which I've got a spare from my welding mask. Looks like the same fitting, but where are they? There. Oh. So first thing I'm going to do is just chuck the battery in it and see what happens. That worked. Nothing. So the battery's not cooked like I thought it would be. Pain in the butt to get out. So I'm going to put it on charge. And see what the charger says. It's got some lights on it. So that plugs into there. We've got an orange light. It doesn't say what that means. I can only assume it's charging. So we'll leave it like that for a while and see what happens. We'll move on to getting this see-through again. So I've got some ideas for this. Because this will help me out drastically in the fact that the respirator I wear gives me sinus issues and headaches. So a fresh air mask will be really useful for when I'm fiberglassing, because if it's just a quick fiberglass job, you know, like half an hour or so, I'll wear my respirator. But if I'm fiberglassing for more than an hour or so, it gives me a headache and it blocks up my sinuses, and I've had issues ever since I started wearing that respirator. Even though it's a really good 3M respirator, which wasn't cheap, it messes with me, and it really sucks. So hopefully I can get this working and I won't get headaches from it or sinus issues, because there's nothing squeezing my head basically. So hopefully I can get this going, and it should be good. Alright, so what I've got here is an acrylic clear and a bit of cloth, because I don't have a brush. So up in this corner, just gonna see if it does anything. Which it looks like it does. I want to see if it'll eat into it. Because if it does, then I can't use it. And it looked like it's going to do the trick. So I'll mix up a small amount of that, put it in my airbrush, and spray it on there. I'll have to thin it down. Mask off all this Velcro and take this pin out. And fingers crossed again, it'll become clear, because the clear will take out the scratches and make it see-through again. Or more see-through than what it is now. But there's only one way to find out, and that's to do it. Okay, I mixed up some clear coat, put it in my airbrush and sprayed it along this edge here. It sort of worked, but I don't think it's the right course of action. So I'm going to try something else, and hopefully I don't mess it up. Alright, what I got here is a blowtorch. Let's see if it works. Oops, too much. Okay. Well, that I'm going to call a complete failure. I burnt it, warped it, distorted it, but it's not the end of the world, because I'm going to make a new one. Right, if you want my videos, Here it is. The sides aren't even. Doesn't bother me. It's holding its shape. I sort of painted it on there. You see all these little marks, which is fine. So I'm going to clean it up a bit more, get this dust off it, then find some Velcro, stick some Velcro in there. With any luck, it'll work. Also got to drill and slot some holes. You see the texture marks on there. So let's drill and slot those first, and then I'll find some Velcro and stick it on. Alright, got these drilled and slotted. It attaches to this. So let's see if it fits. Look at that, like I bought one. Still got to put the Velcro on. But it's looking good. Tell you what, this stuff is bloody sticky. There we go. I'll do that bit off camera. This thing is amazing. I can see out of it clearly. I can wear it comfortably. It delivers cool, fresh air in. I had a little bit of, I could smell a little bit of the resin, but not nearly as much as I did with the respirator, probably because of my beard. The beard probably let some resin smell in. But this I'm going to be wearing all the time now. It kept my face cool. I can't thank my friend enough who gave it to me. And hope you enjoyed the video. And my amusing failure. It was worth a shot. It did start to work. You can see through it a lot more than you could previously, but you know, I burnt it and distorted it, and here's what it is. This new polycarbonate screen works beautifully. So thank you for watching. Consider hitting that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.